Introduction. You must have seen an electric bulb glowing with bright light. How does an electric bulb glow? When you have to iron your dress, you put the electric iron in the electric plug and switch it on. How does the electric iron heat? Let us find out about this in this module. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify symbols of some electric circuit components, explain the heating effect of electric current, discuss the importance of electric fuse in electrical circuits. Symbols of electric circuit components. Electric circuit components symbols are used to make circuit diagrams. It is much easier to represent a circuit diagram using symbols. This is the symbol of a switch in on position. This one is in off position. Symbols of electric circuit components. Electric cell is a simple device which is used to generate electricity. Electricity is produced by chemical reactions. It has a positive terminal and a negative terminal. In the symbol of the electric cell, the longer line represents the positive terminal and the thicker, shorter line represents the negative terminal. Switch or key makes or breaks the connection in a circuit. When the switch is in the on position, the circuit is closed and the current flows throughout the circuit. When the switch is in the off position, the circuit is open. In this case, no current flows through the circuit. The combination of two or more cells is called a battery. In a battery, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Many devices such as torches, wall clocks, and watches, toys, TV remote controls are the battery-operated devices. Circuit diagram. Circuit diagram is simplified representation of an electrical circuit. It is a drawing using standardized symbols of the arrangement. It shows how electronic components are connected together. Heating effect of electric current. Students, when an electric current is passed through a metallic wire like filament of a bulb or coil of an electric heater, geyser, electric iron or room heater, the coil becomes hot and glowing. This is known as the heating effect of electric current. In this condition, they radiate heat and light. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends on its material, length, and thickness. Thus, for different requirements, we use wires of different materials and different lengths and thicknesses. Electric fuse. Sometimes you may have seen the situation in your house that the fuse is blown off and the electric supply is cut off. Can you tell the reason for this? This is because of the enormous amount of heat produced wherever there is an excess flow of current due to short-circuiting, overloading or insulation failures of appliances. Safety fuse is a device that protects an electric circuit. The heating effect of electricity is used in this case. When the current drawn is beyond a certain value, the fuse wire gets overheated, melts, and breaks the circuit. This prevents fire and damage to various electrical appliances. Fuses of different kinds are used for different purposes. Plug fuse is used in our houses. The plug fuse consists of two parts, namely, the porcelain casing and the porcelain grip. This fuse has a thin wire of tin and lead alloy which has low melting point. Cartridge fuse is generally used in electrical appliances. Miniature circuit breaker or MCBs. Miniature circuit breaker or MCB is an automatically operated electrical switch designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by overload or short circuit. Whenever there is a fault in a circuit, MCB interrupts continuity to discontinue electrical flow immediately. It can be reset to resume normal operation. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Electric circuit component symbols are used to make circuit diagrams. The symbols for switch or key, electric cell, battery, and electric bulb are used to represent a circuit diagram. Circuit diagram is simplified representation of an electrical circuit using standardized symbols. When an electric current passes through the filament of a bulb or the coil of an electrical heater, etc., they become hot. An electric fuse is a safety device which prevents the electric circuit from the losses due to short circuiting or overloading.